You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. They both have different pronunciations. The top word is pronounced either. You can say either, or the Americans would say either, or either, or the Americans would say either. So either or either, different pronunciations. The bottom word, same thing, neither or neither. Neither, neither in American English. So how to pronounce either, either, neither, neither. And now you know. Is this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.